The vMeasure Conveyor-Based DWS system captures dimensions, weight, barcodes, and images automatically and in real time. It handles up to 3,000 items per hour, including boxes, polybags, and irregular items. It captures items from 5 x 5 x 5 cm to 50 x 40 x 60 cm, with 1 cm accuracy, scans up to 5 barcodes per item, and maps the correct one to the parcel using proprietary smart barcode mapping. Each parcel is logged with dimensions, weight, barcode, and image, reducing claims and disputes. Compatible with any standard checkweigher. Use your own or one provided by vMeasure. Sortation logic is coded within the dimensioner. Integrates with major WMS, TMS, and ERP systems using no-code webhook. Captured data is stored in our SOC 2 certified cloud portal with full access and reporting. These specifications drive its efficiency. Use vMeasure for high-volume parcel processing.